Friends, if you're doing multi-accounting on TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, you already know the pain. Regular emulators are unstable and often get detected by platforms, which can lead to blocked accounts. So you're stuck between two options. Either buy a bunch of physical phones and deal with cables everywhere, or rely on unstable software that puts your accounts at risk. My name is Daniel, and today I'm showing you a different approach. These aren't emulators. These are real Android devices running in the cloud, controlled directly from your computer. We'll set up the first cloud phone together and see how it performs inside TikTok in real conditions. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's jump right in. Mates, before we go further, let's clarify what multi-login is in this context. Multi-login is a platform built for managing multiple social media accounts in isolated environments. Each profile runs separately, with its own network and device configuration, so sessions don't overlap or interfere with each other. Instead of relying on unstable emulators or juggling physical phones, multi-login provides cloud-based mobile environments that behave like real Android devices. This makes multi-account workflows more structured and easier to control. For platforms like TikTok or Instagram, that consistency matters. Everything runs inside one system, without switching between different tools or setups. Friends, we start inside the multi-login dashboard and open the Mobile tab. Here we create a new mobile profile. I give it a name, and I can also choose how many profiles I want to create inside this device. Now we move to Network settings. Multi-login cloud phones already include built-in mobile residential proxies. That means your IP address and geolocation automatically match the region of the phone. You don't need external proxy providers or VPN setups. The system handles it for you, making sure that for TikTok, you appear as a real user from a specific city. Guys, in the device info section, we see that the operating system is Android. You can choose the Android version and even select the device brand. This isn't just a fingerprint simulation. You're using the power of a real device with unique hardware data. We keep the selected settings and click Create. The profile is generated. Now we press Start, and the system prompts us to download the desktop launcher. We install it and open it, and within seconds we see the workspace of our cloud phone. Folks, this is a full Android environment, so everything looks familiar. Installing TikTok here is straightforward. On regular emulators, you would open Google Play, log in, and go through multiple verification steps. But here the process is much simpler. Look at the toolbar on the right side of the screen. At the bottom there's an Apps button. When we click it, the built-in multi-login app marketplace opens. This store already contains popular apps for social media and marketing workflows. We search for TikTok, find it instantly and click Install. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Mates, here's something important for your budget. Apps installed through this menu are downloaded directly from multi-login servers, bypassing your mobile proxy traffic. You only use proxy traffic when actually working inside the social platform. We wait just a few seconds, and the installation confirmation appears. We close the store, and the TikTok icon is now visible among our apps. We open TikTok, and it launches instantly, just like on a high-end smartphone. Now you can create a new TikTok account inside this environment or log into an existing one. The process looks identical to using a real physical phone, including standard verification steps. Scrolling feels smooth, without the lag typical for emulators. Guys, TikTok algorithms don't only analyze your IP address, they also evaluate behavioral signals and device responses. Since multi-login provides real hardware in the cloud, interactions appear natural. For the platform, you look like a regular person using a mobile phone from the selected location. This makes the environment suitable for farming, warming up accounts, or launching ads without the immediate risks associated with unstable setups. Everything runs smoothly, consistently, and under your control. Friends, when it comes to multi-accounting on TikTok or Instagram, stability matters more than shortcuts. A consistent mobile environment reduces unnecessary risks and makes long-term work more predictable. Multi-login cloud phones provide real Android devices in the cloud instead of unstable emulators. That difference shows up in performance, behavior consistency, and how platforms interpret your activity. Everything runs inside one system, from device setup to account management, without juggling physical phones or unreliable software. I personally use multi-login and find it useful, but the decision to use it or not is always yours. Hopefully, this walkthrough helps you understand how it fits into a structured multi-account workflow. Folks, before you go, check the links in the description and use the coupon code DAN50 for 50% off all monthly plans. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.